everyone, so this is my first video reflection or topic for today. But before I formally start, I'll begin with a quotation by Kofi Annan. We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race. At this juncture, I have brought me here my three important things I want to point out from this lecture. The first one is all about the meaning of diversity. According from the Latin dictionary, diversity comes from the Latin word divertere, which means to turn away, to separate, and to oppose. On the other hand, according to Collins Dictionary, it is the state of being different, which means there is a point of difference. This is the inclusion of people of different races, genders, religions, are in a group. And yes, this really exists. Example that I can provide for now is based from our case. Our family is from my mother's side. They may look familiar or identical twins from their physical appearance, but as you know them well deeply, one is introvert while the other one is extrovert. This simply means that even inside of the family, we are really born differently and uniquely. The second point is all about the meaning of diversity from the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organizations, also known as UNESCO. We all know that there are many dimensions of different diversity presented from the lecture. And here are some examples of these. Our races, cultures, ethnicities. To cut it down, we don't just look diversity as a microscopic ways, but it is a large area. We all know that as of now, there is what we call LGBTQ, and we all have our own placement there. This is a wide range topic or wide range area. Lastly, I want to point out this thing. Why diversity became an issue. These are the reasons behind. Sometimes, diversity may lead us into misunderstanding. For example, there will be a gap between two countries or nations. It is simply because we are lack of misunderstanding and communication. If we have that kind of ability, then therefore, this issue will abrupt. One realization I drew from this lecture is based from the short video clip presented entitled, "Do Not Put People from the Box." This is very true to life. We can't force people to be like this if they are not really like this, and we can force people to aim what you like just to make satisfy, because at the end, there will be just a misunderstanding from the both houses. Let him be true to herself or to himself, because that is him. He is not you. We are born to be unique individual. For my second realization, for me, collaboration and communication, are essential abilities for growth and success. As a result, it is critical that we recognize our differences and learn how to leverage them to foster collaboration, cooperation, and togetherness, all of which this leads to increased productivity.